The landscape of construction is changing, with building consent numbers reaching record level highs. In order to keep up with the sector's rapid growth and help it continue to evolve further still, integrating construction technology, ConTech, is essential for our businesses. The construction industry is largely made up of sole traders and small businesses who, in order to thrive in the new landscape, need to keep up with global trends in building design, technology, and materials. Digital trends such as building technologies using green energy, artificial intelligence, machine learning and robotics, IoT, drones, and 3D printing are just a few options that are making a big impact on the sector. Adopting digital tools is crucial in improving planning, procurement, and delivery practices. There are countless options to better support your employees, increase diversity, workforce, and improve health, safety, and well-being of your team, all while creating a high-wage, highly productive, and low-emissions construction sector. The push towards future-proofing the construction sector can be seen in the partnership between the New Zealand government and the construction industry. This led to establishing the Construction Accord, which offers businesses an ecosystem of support, resources, and networks to help to grow and adapt. Anyone within the construction sector can take advantage of these platforms, which allow you to share and access information that can assist with decision making. Adopting digital tools not only benefits your business, but contributes to better business performance and health and safety culture across the industry. Whether you're looking to prioritize mental health and risk allocation, sustainability, or diversity in the workplace, taking advantage of the resources and innovations available will increase resilience, reduce waste, and prepare New Zealand for future challenges that may arise. There is a range of project management software designed to more accurately record data and organize tasks, with options that improve communication with staff or clients, to programs that can predict risks and provide prevention techniques. There are several bodies to help you drive progress in the sector, regardless of your needs. Some key players include DreamSpace, focusing on using virtual reality, and Working Spec's free app that turns installation instructions into 3D interactive models for training and guidance.